Bem-vindos à AKWEL Tondela, Portugal. A fábrica de Tondela foi constituída em 1996. Idealmente localizada numa região competitiva, junto dos fabricantes automóveis do sudoeste da Europa, a fábrica AKWEL Tondela dispõe de conhecimento industrial e tecnológico no processamento de borracha e plástico, para suportar os nossos clientes a fabricar veículos autónomos e conectados, mais fiáveis e mais amigos do ambiente a um preço competitivo.
At AKWEL, personal safety and customer satisfaction are at the heart of our processes, every day, in every action. All personnel employed at AKWEL work in a safe and healthy environment. We cultivate performance, efficiency and results in order to offer our customers ever more reliable and competitive solutions. Their satisfaction is the driving force behind the group's development and progress. Eco-design, use of sustainable resources, recycling, reduction of transport, reducing our environmental impact, and saving natural resources are an integral part of our activities, from the design phase to the manufacturing and shipping of our parts. The evolution of the market towards electric vehicles confirms the increasing need for cooling solutions. With its historic expertise in this commodity, AKWEL is able to offer cooling solutions for all kinds of systems, from ICE to full EVs and hybrid technology. Our daily challenge is to offer our customers solutions which allow them to imagine and design the mobility of tomorrow.